that. Nice shot. Okay, 2 balls left.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I got to hit the last one really far, Dad. The last one? That one over there?
I've got one.
That one right there, Dad, you're going to do.
Okay.
Because I want to see yours. Grand finale. No, wait. Is there one in the van?
Yeah. Okay. Get yourself squared away.
I'll hit that one again.
No, bring it back to the mat. You're not supposed to hit it off the grass, Nathan. Yeah. Okay.
Grand finale.
Grand finale. Get your hands together. There you go.
Oh, yay!
You made a complete circle.
Yeah.
You better rewind yourself.
Yeah.
There you go. Best shot of the day. Nice.
You're